This is amazing. Really amazing. Hey, what are we gonna do tonight?
Well, I have to shoot, but then later we can go to dinner or whatever.
I vote sushi.
Ooh, I second that. And then we could go dancing or have drinks or whatever.
I vote all three. Drinks, dancing, and all kinds of whatever.
That sounds perfect.
Brooke?
Sure, why not?
All right. Well, I better go make sure everything's good. I'll text you guys later.
Perfect.
I'm gonna go get some mojitos. You guys want anything?
No thanks.
Okay.
Thanks for inviting us, Queenie.
Yeah.
I'm so glad y'all could be here. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Really?
What?
Drinking and sushi?
Oh, right. Total bun in the oven. Why don't you just tell Lauren and Quinn you're pregnant?
I can't. It's too early, and Julian and I agreed we wouldn't tell anyone yet.
Well, it's fine. I'm an actress. You can fake it, and I will help you.
One Tree Hill, all new this Tuesday at 8/7 Central on the